Someone's stolen the bike. You see the lock on it. Oh, look at that. Someone's abandoned house. Right, we are going to check out Golf Course Road. And it is a side road that's all the way downhill. So let's check out this Golf Course Road. It should take us out to Southampton Sports Centre. So I can't go too fast, my brakes aren't brilliant. Old bike this is. It's just going to feather on the brakes. Ooh! And it is bumpy as hell. So this will take us out to the golf course. And then it just links up to the sports ground, the sports fields. And it's a little bit bumpy, this road, and there's speed humps, so we can't just cane it down here. Oh, someone's on a bike. 2 people on the bike, no, just one. Sign for the golf course. I've actually played around the golf in my life. One day I'm going to climb out of the saddle. There's toilets there. Cycle paths only. Keep on the paths only. So we can cycle along here. Just keep on the marked paths only. Let's hope it's not too long. Bit nervous going through here. I did see another cyclist come up. I should have followed him. Oh, look at that. Someone's abandoned house. I didn't expect to find that. Wow, someone lived there. We're not going to look at it because I can hear someone smashing both golf balls. Might check the Urban Exploration Forum, see if anyone's gone in there. Oh, there's the cyclist. Oh, it's a different cap. Morning. The golfer walked past me and he weren't happy about me cycling along here. Well, it's good to know that you can cycle along here. Alright, where are we? This should be the sports ground. Yes, we've come out of the golf course. So we'll just go through up from the top to the bottom. And yeah, there's a nice bit of exploration there. You can go left up and that'll take you out of here. But yeah, that's a nice little bit to ride through. I'm not sure what that is. some sort of fun fair. Not open. Someone's left their coat. There's the ski slope. There's the running track. A little bit windy here. We'll just coast. A little bit downhill. But it's weird seeing those two derelict houses in somewhere so well kept. It's just weird. And I'm sure I've had a dream about that. You know when you see something and you know you haven't been there before, but you've had a dream about it or it seems familiar. Morning. I'll keep to the left. That goes up to Coxford. What is that, a wheel? There's some wheel there. It's like a decent wheel. I'm sure it's okay to cycle on this bit. No one's going to tell me off. Oh my god, someone's stolen the bike. You see the lock on it. That's a nice wheel. I wonder if I can take it home. Oh. I'm not sure I need a wheel, but oh. That's a nice looking wheel. I'm not taking it. Oh. It's like an aero wheel. Amazing what you can find out here. Right, so we've come to the end of the sports centre. So it's a nice little ride. More of a winter ride this one because if it's raining and wet, it's not going to be muddy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you next time.